This is Jack Bolton. He's the technician here at Hopkins Elementary. He's going to demonstrate how to use the Elmo document camera and the Mimio interaction whiteboard system.
The first thing we do is calibrate the Mimio so that it knows, works in conjunction with the projector. To do this, we have a button on the Mimio that turns on the calibration screen, and then we just go around and hit fixed spots on the screen. This tells the computer where the projected image is in relation to the Mimio that's sensing the stylus that we use to control the interactive whiteboard. Now with the stylus in its simplest form, it becomes a mouse or a pointer for the computer, so we can go and use the stylus to activate programs. And we could select, if we had a program with options, we could select multiple options using the stylus. The Mimio also comes with a software set of tools that we can use the stylus with. We can have a pencil tool or a highlighter tool, an eraser tool, and we're going to do the highlighter tool. We say first we want to do the highlight, and then we're going to turn that on, and using that we can highlight images on the screen. Okay. We can do the same thing with the pencil tool, and let's change the color. So that would be using the pen tool. Okay. That's how the Mimio is in its simplest form. And now we can combine the Mimio and Elmo together to do even more advanced functions. Okay, now we're going to show how we can use the Mimio and document camera combined with the students. In this case, we have using the document camera to project a printed page from a book, and we have our Mimio with our Mimio tools to control the board. And in this case, we might ask the students to come up and underline past tense verbs. So in this example, we might say we would select the pen, and we activate it, and then we could have the student take the stylus and pick out the words they wanted to underline. And example of that, like that. Then you might want to change and have the students highlight a different set of words. So we could say, have a different student come up and say, highlight the contractions. And we're going to pick our highlight tool and activate it, and contractions. So that's how you can have the students interact with the board. You're using a printed piece of paper, but because the Mimio and the document camera and the projector are using making digital images, it's virtual, and then you can simply hit a button and it erases it, and you could go on to a different exercise. That's basically, in its simplest form, the combination of using the LCD projector, the print camera, and Mimio interactive board together in the classroom.